Yo, we made it. Yo, hello party people. What's happening today? It's actually the day before I go on a trip, so I'm just kind of like getting my life together somewhat. I feel like I haven't done anything yet though today. So tomorrow I have, what do I have? I know I just have an early morning show. I have a fake 4-day trip, and what makes it a fake 4-day is the fact that on that third day, which is go home day, we land a little bit after midnight. So on our schedule is considered a day of work, even though we only get in after midnight. It's considered a day of work, whatever. So it's a fake 4-day, technically a 3-day trip. Both of them, it's a double Denver layover. So I lay over in Denver for 2 of the nights. It's gonna be a pretty busy trip. Yeah, because I'm doing 2 legs the first day, 3 legs the second day. Go home day is just one leg, so that's solid right there. But on top of this, first 2 days are international flights. So tomorrow I do Chicago to Puerto Vallarta. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'll get it right by tomorrow because I am on announcements. And then we go from there to Denver. Then the next day we have Denver, Cancun to Kansas City back to Denver. Day 3, we just do Denver back to Chicago. Yeah, so since we're doing international, I'm gonna chill out on the food prep situation. I'm probably just gonna throw some processed stuff in the bag because I have to go through customs 2 days in a row, and I really just don't feel like dealing with the whole food hassle, because there's been times I got food in, you just have to claim it on your forms as a airline employee, but I just don't feel like dealing with it because sometimes those people working customs, they take their jobs very, 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 very seriously and want to ask you a million questions and blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna avoid that whole situation. I probably do like Uber Eats the first day, probably eat some noodles the second day. The cool thing about Denver, our hotel has free breakfast, so I at least have that, so I'll be pretty solid. I'm good on that. I have an early show. I think I have to be there at 5:40 a.m. That means I have to get up hella early to make it to the airport on time. Okay, good morning. I need to make this really quick because I went a little bit behind schedule, but getting ready to head to the airport. Gotta finish throwing the stuff on. So far everything is on time. We're just gonna make today a great day, the best that we can make it. That's the way you gotta approach it, and that's that. Yo, we made it. Denver. It was a long day. First flight, my flights weren't bad, they were just long. My first flight was like 4 hours long, and the second flight was 3 hours long. So a lot of flying hours today. I'm in my hotel now in Denver. I'm actually, because it's been a while, I'm gonna go work out. I already put my clothes out over there. I'm gonna put that on. Then probably order me some type of food. And then I brought like my little music stuff or whatever, because like I've been really lacking on this. And I got this a while ago, but I still haven't like really learned how to use this thing right here. So I'm gonna play with it, see how it goes, but I gotta stop wasting my time on these layovers because I know I'm not gonna go hang out. Yo, I'm back from my workout. Kept it pretty simple. I just ran for about 15 minutes and then I did 100 kettlebell swings. Just wanted to get the blood pumping a little bit because I haven't worked out in almost a month, and I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Let's keep it going. But I got some food on the way. We're gonna watch a little bit of TV, eat, mess around with this music stuff and whatnot. Yeah. But I'm about to hop in the shower because I'm a tad bit sweaty and I want to get comfortable. Time to put on my lounging clothes.
Well, after my voice changed, my new record bombed. My parents gave all their attention to my little brother. Sorry, Mar.
It's dinner time. Keeping it real basic with some
Well, that's all the time we have today.
Panda Express. Just got some orange chicken and some veggies. Chilling. I wanted to show y'all something real quick. So y'all know I'll be using a Hot Logic all the time, right? So sometimes when you order from Uber Eats, your food is not as cold as you want it to be. Hold on, this TV is too loud. Pause. So sometimes your food is not as cold as you need it. I mean, not as hot as you need it to be. So I put my meal in the Hot Logic. I put my meal in the Hot Logic and it's heating up while I eat. So this time my food was still pretty hot, but sometimes I eat slow. So this way my food stay hot as I slowly eat my food. Smart. Okay, let me get back to my show. By the way, I'm watching F is for Family. It's on Netflix and it's like an adult cartoon, which I love adult cartoons. So back to my show. Good morning. Oh, look. Good morning. That's my breakfast. They have free breakfast downstairs. I'm not gonna eat all of that. I'm gonna eat some of it and then take the rest with me to go. I have a long day today. First of all, it's 6:30 in the morning. I have a little less than an hour to get ready. That's why I ran down to get food first, so I can kind of like eat while I get ready. Plus, I wanted some coffee, so I got some coffee in my cup too, and they got a Starbucks downstairs. But anyway, yes, I got 3 legs today. I do Denver to Cancun, Cancun to Kansas City, Kansas City back to Cancun. All legs are pretty long. I mean, not like crazy long, but long enough I won't be back to the hotel till like probably 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, get my uniform on, eat my breakfast, and get this day going. All right, party people, and just like that, it's time to go downstairs. I have about 15 minutes before my van shows up. I'm gonna let y'all know something about Denver. I don't like this place. Look outside. It's freaking snowing. It's snow. My flight is on time, so the snow's not affecting my work today. At least it doesn't seem like it so far. But let me go ahead and get downstairs. Yo. Let me turn this TV. Pause. Hey, y'all. So I am in Denver. It's midnight right now. I got to my hotel maybe about an hour and a half ago. I just needed to decompress before I turn this camera on because I had a long day, man. Whew, it was a 14-hour day. First leg was long and busy. Second leg was alright. Third leg was super chill. The flight was like pretty open, so it was good. I mean, overall today wasn't bad. It was just long. I really liked my crew today. It was a good time. We had a really good time with each other, so that was cool. Sometimes the crew can like make or break the trip, but my crew was pretty solid. I liked them a lot. Yeah, I'm just exhausted. I literally came in my room, ate a little bit of something, and just turned Netflix on. And yeah, now I'm just here. I'm getting ready to go to bed soon. I'm just gonna watch TV till I fall asleep. But yeah, long day. Tomorrow, I don't have to be, my van time is not until 7:40 p.m. so I have all day tomorrow to rest up. I need to knock out a couple projects tomorrow, so I'll make tomorrow my productive day. And yeah, okay, I'm about to get back to watching my show, and it'll probably be morning next time I turn this camera on. Good night. Good morning, Denver. It's currently like 11:30-ish. I've been up for a while. I woke up maybe around 8:30 a.m. I slept so good. I was so tired after that long day yesterday. Yeah, so I've been up for a while. Just been trying to finesse my schedule for next month, and whatnot. I went downstairs and got some breakfast. Gonna knock out some work. Oh, I thought I heard something. It's like in these hotels, you can hear when like the people next door are taking like a shower or they flush their toilet. So, but it sounded like it's happening in my room, but it's not. But yes, today is go home day. I only have one leg. I don't leave until later tonight. I still have like some hours. I think I have like 9 more hours here at this hotel. So I'm gonna take advantage of that time. One leg home. So far everything's on time. And go home day, that's all I want to hear, is that we're on time and that we're going home. Yes. Smart. Listen, I'm here working on this vlog that you're watching right now. This is how like my mind works. So I have like a few things I do need to knock out today, like legit, like client projects. And sometimes it just takes me a while to like really get into that mode, but like, so normally when I do that, or when I get that way, I'll like work on something that gets me a little excited first, just to get that creative ball rolling. So I was like, you know what? I'll just edit my stuff, and they'll, open the floodgates of creativity. So now I'm working on this video that you're watching right now. Doing my editing, having some tea. Right now, I am like hooked on any type of licorice tea. Like this licorice tea kick that I'm on. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Anyway, also I got some banana bread. I got it from breakfast this morning. They had like a bread box down there, and normally when I'm here I'll like take a little bit of banana bread for later, so I had some yesterday for my trip, and so this is my mid-afternoon snack. It probably hold me over till dinner time possibly, but yeah, snacking and sipping on tea and knocking out this work, making it work out here, being productive. And it's actually Monday. I thought today was like Friday for some reason, but it's Monday. But yeah, okay, let me get back to work. All right, party people, it's about that time. I'm almost ready to go. Almost. Gotta be downstairs in about 15 minutes. Yes, it's go home time. It's snowing outside, so I'm hoping that does not affect our flight tonight. As of now, everything is on time, but yeah, we'll see what happens, but everything's gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this camera up, and if I don't turn this thing back on, I will see y'all in the next one. Be good.